part of the capacity expansion program, a vertical 5-axis machining center of GENOS M460V-5AX model, manufactured by the Japanese OKUMA Corporation, was delivered to the first production workshop of Unitsky String Technologies Co on the 5th of November. OKUMA is a brand in the field of metal processing, acknowledged in the whole world. This machine differs from the conventional equipment primarily by its design specifics: high stiffness of the body, precision accuracy, and reliability. This processing center allows to manufacture parts from various materials, starting with plastics, composite materials, and finishing with high alloy and hardened steels. One of the important features of this machine is the availability of an advanced safety system that excludes collision of its operating parts. Accordingly, it reduces the risk of production losses. The work on this machine requires a high qualification level of the operator. There are few professionals like this in the Belarusian market, however, we have them in our staff. Presently, OKUMA technicians are proceeding with startup and adjusting work. The machine will be commissioned in operation in the near future.